Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about how to make a pyramid with a pentagonal base. First of all, you have to know how to make a pentagon. Here you see, this is a process in which you can make a pentagon. Right? For that, what will you take? Here we have taken a circle with a radius of 5 centimeter, right? After that, we have taken an angle of 72 degree at the center and give a triangle of 72 degree, 54 degree, 54 degree with this triangle. The same way you can make another triangle 72 degree, 54 degree, 54 degree. You'll get a triangle of 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and this is the third side is the 6 centimeter. Again you will get 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Here you get 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. But center angle will be 72 degree. 72, 54, 54, and it will be 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. It will also be 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. After that, you cut along this side 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we will get a pentagon like this. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you see the radius is 5 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter, but this one is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. You will need a pentagon. I already told you how to make a pentagon, and you need 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 triangle. You need 5 equilateral triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have to put like this. You have to make the net first. You put it in the paper here, and after that you put the triangle in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? Now you see how we are making this pyramid with pentagonal base. Right? Let us see how we are making this. Here, let us see how we are making this pyramid with a pentagonal base. For that, you have to make a pentagon, and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. We make 5 equilateral triangle with side 6 centimeter. Right? One. Now one by one we will dip tape in this way so that you can make a pyramid with a pentagonal base. See, in this way you have to make a pentagonal base. You have to stick these triangles in this way, one by one. You have to stick this triangle in this way. Three, then 4, one to 3. Now triangle number 4. Four and 5. In this way, you have to make a pyramid with pentagonal base. Now you see how we are making this pentagonal pyramid. You see, this is the way in which you can make a pyramid with a pentagonal base. You see, this is pentagon, and you see the angle also. It is central angle is 74 degree, and other angle is 54 degree, and the sides the side is obviously get the side as this side as 6 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm, 6, 5, 5, 6, 5, 5, like this. Okay, here we have made a pyramid with a pentagonal base and with colored papers. You see, with these colored papers with these various types of colored papers, you can make a very beautiful pentagonal pyramid. This is the pentagonal pyramid. Now we will find the various properties of a pentagonal pyramid. What are the properties of pentagonal pyramid? Now we see what are the properties. See this one. How many surfaces are there in a pentagonal pyramid? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The base 6. There are 6 surfaces in a pentagonal pyramid, right? And how many vertices are there in a pentagonal pyramid? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 vertices in a pentagonal pyramid. There are 6 vertices in a pentagonal pyramid. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 edges in a pentagonal pyramid, right? Here we have shown you how to make a pentagonal pyramid with a pentagon. But first of all, if you know how to make a pentagon, I will show you also the properties of pentagonal pyramid and how to make a pentagonal pyramid, right? In this way you can make a pentagonal pyramid, and with colored paper you paste it on the surface and you get a beautiful colored pentagonal pyramid, that is a pyramid with a pentagonal base. You see, this is pentagon. Now for the most important thing, you have to know how to make a pentagon, right? Here what you have taken, first I already told you. Let us again discuss how to make a pentagon. Here first of all you make a circle of radius 5 centimeter, right? After that you take an angle of 72 degree and make an angle 72 degree. You will get an angle 54 degree and 54 degree here, and join this side. You get this side as 6 centimeter. 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Again you take central angle 72 degree. This is 54, 54, and join this side. You will get 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Again 72 degree. This is 54 degree, 54 degree, right? And this will be 6 centimeter. This radius will be 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter again. And again you take a 72 degree at the central angle, and you get this 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and cut along this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you will get a pentagon like this. You see, you will get a pentagon like this. Pentagon means regular pentagon having same side. That is, side is same, that is 6 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 sides in a regular pentagon, and the sides are same. That is, we have taken here 6 centimeters, right? And here we have taken a triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles having equilateral triangle, and the side of the triangle is also 6 centimeter. That is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. In this way you can make a pyramid with a pentagonal base, right? This is a pyramid with a pentagonal base, and with colored papers like this. You see, with a colored paper like this, you cut it and paste it on the pyramid so that you may get a beautiful pyramid having a base of pentagon. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.